Gutters are an integral part of your home that divert water and moisture away, helping to keep it dry and algae-free. When gutters are full of debris, they overflow, causing water to pool around the foundation of your home, making for a damp environment that causes structural rotting and creates a breeding ground for algae and pests in your crawl space. The water cascading over the face of the gutter also erodes the paint, causing premature paint failure and oxidation. At Water Wizards, we offer 2 gutter cleaning packages. The first involves removing all debris from the gutter channels so rainwater has an unobstructed path to your downspout. The second package includes a low-pressure flush to remove finer debris like shingle grit, as well as ensuring your gutters have the correct pitch so water flows in the intended direction. Visit us online today for a fast, free, and accurate online quote, or call us today and see how we can get your gutters back flowing like new.